Attacking the church, desecrating the statue of the Virgin Mary, in my opinion, has the real
Manual recording will now start.
Was Leland Yee. Leland Yee was a former state senator of California and was found guilty of accepting bribes from undercover FBI.
Where they propose an exploratory committee to view what the best way is. That's what you do. You want to abolish the police or defund the police?
Manual recording will now start.
Are down 7.8% for the year so far. Murders are up 23%. Number of shooting victims up 70.4%.
Manual recording will now start.
The liberal elite's finally getting some comeuppance. There may be some pushback from the far left, may be curtailed. I'm not convinced.
Serious, man.
Manual recording will now start.
And you know, I've talked about it too. I've done several segments that we're on the brink of war with China, that we've had, you know, they've lasered our planes.
Yep.
You know, that's basically like letting them know that we can target you. They've sent...
Manual recording will now start.
The best level in COD history is all gillied up. Putting you into the role of Captain Price as a stealthy sniper was a stark contrast to the more loud and
Manual recording will now start.
But it's also amazing because you can play through...
And mark this, there is no purpose greater than ours.
Yeah! Now, I don't always like to play as a goody two-shoes.
Manual recording will now...
The federal judiciary will not be tolerated. Judge Salas and her family are in our thoughts at this time as they cope with this senseless act. Phil Murphy, the governor of New Jersey, wrote on Twitter.
Manual...
And you know what? This looks like a lot of food.
Bald-headed beast or a truck.
And there's a hell of a lot of meatballs.
There's like different factions. Is it the left versus the right? Is it SJW versus NSW? Nationalists versus globalists?
Yeah.
I think it's that the internet has been...
They're so religious and they want people in jail and to jail potheads and stuff like that. Women barefoot in the kitchen, and they're all racist, and all of these other various...
Manual recording will now...
Oh yeah, that's right. This is so crazy. I don't know if you guys saw the story. It's a $300 million franchise, and A&E was like, it's a show about
Manual
cops.
recording
We're gonna
will now
cancel it.
start.
An 85% increase with June of last year, according to a report from Miller Samuel and Douglas Elliman. The report largely attributed the spike to brokers...
Manual recording will now...